Getting instant access to BullX Neo is very simple. All you have to do is go to the first link in the video description and you will be redirected to the official BullX Neo Telegram bot. Just open your Telegram, click start, and you will see congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. And now all you need to do is click the login button below and you will be able to log in to BullX Neo. And if for some reason you would like to use the older BullX, the process is very similar. All you need to do is go to the second link in the video description and you will be redirected to the official BullX bot. Now open it inside of Telegram, click start, and once again you will get the same message, congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. And once again, all you need to do is click login and you will be able to access regular BullX. And now I'll explain to you what's the difference between regular BullX and BullX Neo. BullX is an older platform and it won't get new updates. However, with regular BullX, you can trade on multiple chains like Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast, and Solana. However, with BullX Neo, for now you can only trade on Solana and Tron. But as I mentioned, the new updates roll out only on BullX Neo, and BullX Neo actually has a few interesting features. For example, wallet tracker, where you can track any Solana wallet you want, and also you can get notified whenever this wallet makes a new transaction. And also you get something called multi-charts, where you can see all of your positions or create your own personal watch list for meme coins. So if you need the best trading experience on Solana, use BullX Neo. However, if you want to trade on different blockchains, then use regular BullX. And if you need some help to start trading meme coins, here are tutorials for regular BullX and BullX Neo.